Hey guys, before we get into the video, I have got a challenge for you guys. You have to follow these tips for at least 10 to 15 days, and I guarantee that you will see a remarkable change. And if you do, then you gotta subscribe to my channel, or else you can dislike this video. So, the only rule is that you cannot cheat, and let's get into the video. How to achieve clear skin naturally, also within 30 days. Did I just say 30 days? Well, yes, I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been struggling with acne, blemishes, fine lines, or just want to enhance your natural beauty, then you came to the right place. You can go from this to this. Before sharing the tips, I just want to say beauty comes in all forms and features like acne and scars are entirely normal. These tips are only for those people who may need a little extra support. Let's get into the video. Tip number 1. The aloe vera. Talking about the aloe vera, it is one of the staples when it comes to natural skincare and also very versatile that it can be used for any skin type. If we talk about the benefits, it hydrates your skin, soothes irritated skin, lightens blemishes, boosts collagen production, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and the list goes on. You can either apply it directly or use the aloe vera gel, or you can freeze the aloe vera then use it, or even make a mask out of it by mixing it with turmeric, matcha, honey, yogurt, whatever you want. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash it with cold water. Tip number 2. The lemon water. Few sips of lemon water every day can work wonders for your skin. If you think lemon water is for weight loss, then you are definitely wrong. It detoxifies your whole system, which in turn gives you, you guessed it right, the ultimate clear skin. Lemon contains vitamin C, which improves wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and helps in improving the overall appearance. You can drink it as it is, like squeeze a lemon into the water, or you can add cucumber or like mint, whatever you want. Tip number 3. Ice facial. Ice therapy is one of the best things that you can do for your skin, and the benefits, oh my god, are numerous. Dipping your face in ice cold water for about 10 to 15 seconds is all you need to do. It can help in reducing puffiness, redness, oil production. It tightens your skin, also helps in reducing breakouts. But don't overdo it, it may dry out your skin. Also make sure to apply moisturizer afterwards. You can go all creative and make ice cubes using aloe vera, coffee, tomato, etc. Tip number 4. Drinking enough water. I know, it sounds cliche and you all have heard about it, but trust me guys, water promotes hydration, detoxification, improved blood circulation, improved skin barrier function, skin elasticity, and the list goes on and on and on. Overall, it helps in improving the quality of your skin, and it's the best thing that you can invest on rather than any high-end skincare product. No amount of skincare or water works unless you stop eating all the junk foods. You have to stop eating junk food and alternate it with fruits, vegetables, green vegetables, also smoothies, literally anything except junk food. Tip number 5. Exercising. Exercise helps in increasing blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy, radiant complexion, or should we say clear skin? But make sure to wash your face before and after exercising, or else the dirt and sweat may clog your pores. Tip number 6. Sleeping. I know life can get hard on you sometimes, but girl, listen to me. You gotta get your beauty sleep. Skin repair and regeneration occurs during our sleep. Also, all the process like collagen production, cellular turnover, etc. happens then. So it's really important to get at least 8 hours of sleep every day. Tip number 7. Don't touch your face too often. Hands can often harbor a lot of germs, and touching your face can transfer those germs and bacteria from your fingers to your skin. Oftentimes, lotions or creams that you put on your hands can also irritate your skin on your face, which leads to breakouts. Tip number 8. Washing your face correctly. You should wash your face at least twice a day, one in the morning, two in the night. Avoid using cleansers which contains harsh chemicals like SLS, titanium dioxide, fragrance, alcohol. You can screenshot it if you want, and do check your ingredient list before buying any skincare product. Start washing your face with lukewarm water so as to open up your pores, and end up washing it using cold water. After washing your face, use a clean face towel, or you can better allow it to air dry. Tip number 9. Changing sheets and pillow covers weekly. If you have tried literally everything to clear out your skin and you're still getting acne, you maybe want to change your bed sheets and pillow covers. Pillowcases contain oil, sweat, dirt from daily use, and you have to change them weekly. Also, I prefer using silk pillowcases for a better skin and also a better hair. Tip number 10. Avoid using too much skincare. All you really want is CMS. Yes, you heard me right. It is not CTM but CMS. Cleansing, moisturizing and sunscreen. You just have to follow a simple skincare routine with simple products. Try to avoid using too much actives, and trust me guys, do not fall for all those skincare trends that you see on the internet. I speak from experience. If you have watched this far, first of all, thank you guys, and I know you are up for a challenge and I promise you will get that clear glowing skin. Let me give you some additional tips. I know getting pimples can be irritating, but don't pop them. Exfoliation is the key to clear skin, but don't overdo it, it may strip your skin. Get rid of unnecessary stress, it can really affect your skin. Avoid using too much makeup, and if you do, don't forget to take them off before going to sleep. Shaving facial hair can give you an instant glowing skin. Last but the important one, stay positive and love yourself. In total, achieving clear skin is a journey that requires consistent effort. You have to follow these steps consistently for 30 days and you can expect to see a significant improvement in the quality of your skin.